Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's having trouble with the line and distribute when they do line. I, he asked me not to use the wording. Um, I totally don't understand that sometimes, but it doesn't matter. He wants these lines equally spaced out with these lines. So if we grab them all, and he sent me the file, and a lot of times the settings come through with the file. So this time it did. So I was able to figure it out. But he goes right here and goes to this one, which is normal. But look what it does. Well, the telltale sign is right here to distribute to half an inch. He's got this set on object spacing. You need to have it set on selected objects. Now, when we use this is the best one to use I have found, especially like in capital letters, because it's going to go it's going to space it out from the top and the bottom of each line. So when you hit OK now, it spaced them out. This is a really important tool if you have, let's say you've got this text, and let's just put it over here for a second. And we want, if this is your plaque, and let's see that text is, let's make it a 1 inch off the top. So let's move it down. We want this one 1 inch from the bottom. Now, these are correct in the center of the plaque. So if you will select all of them and hit L, that put them all equally. And now that we have this setting, so I don't know what selected objects, page edge, which you wouldn't want to use. So you want to use, see, when you use this, it gives you, there's the telltale sign. So use that right there. Now watch this. It made all the lines equally from the top to the bottom of all the text. Anyway, I hope that helped him and maybe somebody like yourself someday, and thank you for watching.